Welcome to 1107 Mourning Dove Trail in Copperas Cove, Texas, where timeless charm meets modern elegance.
This isn't just a remodeled home, it's a restoration of the soul. Every decision made during this renovation asks the same question: does this honor what this house has always been? The answer is shown in every room. Original character has been carefully preserved and amplified, not erased, while fresh finishes and elevated fixtures bring it fully into today and to life. The result is something rare, a home that feels both rooted and current, lived in and refined. Quality craftsmanship is the thought line here. There's a spirit to this home, a little bohemian, thoroughly polished, the kind of place that draws you in and makes you want to stay. Whether you're a lover of character, rich homes, or simply someone who recognizes renovation done right, 1107 Mourning Dove Trail will speak to you. The next chapter of this home story is ready to be written, and we love for it to start with you.